Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, January 11, 2023. Here is our 1950 22-foot Shepherd Runabout ready to flip so that we can turn our attention to her hull above the waterline. Her true 5200 bottom has been installed, faired, fastened, primed with 5 full coats of Interlux Interprotect 2000E, and then she received 5 coats of Pettit copper bronze anti-fouling paint. So, honest, this is not fiberglass. This is wood, just wood planking, and it is solid as stone where it was not before. Once that V-drive gets back in here, it's really going to push this boat across the water, given that its bottom is now so stout and so rigid. The hull sides we have provisionally sanded after having done a couple of Dutchman repairs where she fought with a unfriendly dock, and you can see she lost every battle. We had to replace these same planks on both sides because the spray rail had been installed loosely and without being sealed or being properly bedded in an adhesive. Similarly for this plank, but you can see her chines are hard and true. We're excited to flip her back over. Well, we're not so excited to flip her because this is one heavy hull, but we'll use our double winch and roller method and have her right side up so that we can continue her preservation. That's our update for January 11, 2023 on our 1950 22-foot Shepherd Runabout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.